Hi, lovelies. Welcome back to Mastering Google Workspace. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe for simple tips that help you work smarter with Google tools. Have you ever watched a YouTube video and felt lost halfway through? Maybe the topic is too technical, or you just want a clearer explanation. The good news? Gemini can now break down YouTube videos for you in real time as you watch. To get started, click the Ask button in the controls and ask questions about the video you're watching. Let me show you how it works. First, open the YouTube video you want to watch. This video shows you how to split tabs in Google Chrome to boost your productivity. While the video is playing, click the Ask button in the controls and ask questions about the video you're watching. If you're not sure what to ask, you can select from the recommended questions to get quick insights about the video you're watching. After clicking Summarize this video, Gemini provides a brief overview of what the video is about. You can keep selecting from the recommended questions or ask your own custom question to get deeper insights into the video. Gemini understands the video context and gives you clear explanations in real time without leaving YouTube. This is especially useful for learning new topics, understanding tutorials, studying complex subjects, saving time with quick summaries. Instead of replaying a video over and over, Gemini helps you understand content faster and better. And that's how Gemini explains YouTube videos while you watch. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe to Mastering Google Workspace, and I'll see you in the next one.